Hi, this is my end of course self-assessment. I can't believe that it's the end of the course. It feels like yesterday I was doing the initial self-assessment and it's over and I've learned a lot through this journey. The first objective was to demonstrate the knowledge and skills of research designs, methodologies, and data analysis techniques that are relevant in applied contexts in IO psychology. The assignments that helped me the most with this objective was the course readings and quizzes. The data analyses and writing assignments really helped me get that practice, and then the course readings solidified that information in my mind. I learned quickly to do the data analysis and writing assignments first and then try to read the textbook, because when I tried to read the textbook I wasn't really sure what it was talking about and it was just kind of jumbled to me. But then when I did the data analyses and writing assignments first, I was like, okay, this is what the textbook is talking about, and the methodologies and data analysis kind of came more naturally that way. The second objective was to select and implement the appropriate research and analysis strategies for a given situation. The consulting challenges were great practice to select and implement the strategies. I know in one of the consulting challenges we actually had to decide for ourselves which was the most appropriate analysis and then complete the assignment that way. And that was very challenging, but it did help me solidify the information in my mind. The required readings, again, they really brought that information full circle, and I was able to connect the assignments to the information the textbook was providing. The third objective was to communicate the research process, results, and implementations in both technical and non-technical terms. The consulting challenges were wonderful practice in turning the language into non-technical terms. As Dr. O'Malley said, it's strategic interpreting, I think, and I got some great practice with the consulting challenges, because when you're doing the writing assignments and you're doing the data analyses in Jamovi, you get the technical terms stuck in your head, and that the job of an IO psychologist is to be able to interpret this information to a person that doesn't necessarily know a lot about statistics. And I look forward to do that in my career. The writing assignments helped this as well. Really helped with the technical terms, and then that helped me prepare for the consulting challenges. And also the video presentations, you have to be fast and quick and deliver a lot of information in a short amount of time, so technical terms isn't the right approach for that, and so you kind of had to force yourself to learn the non-technical terms that way. The additional goals that I had were to understand how IO professionals find research opportunities in the private sector. The consulting challenges informed me a lot, not only about data analyses and strategies and things like that, but it really helped me understand how IO psychologists receive the projects and what they would be doing in their everyday lives. The second goal was to inform myself on what IO psychology needs to further research. I have found while in this program that there's no simple answer to anything, and the more I learn about IO psychology, the broader that the discipline seems. So really, I've learned that IO psychology needs so much more in their research, and the possibilities are endless, and I look forward to contributing to IO research through my career in both higher education and with my job one day. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed this class.